Figuring out Chinese here, and today we'll be learning the vocabulary I have and I don't have. I have, and then you would say a possession. I don't have, and then you would say a possession. So I have is 我有 and I don't have is 我没有. Let's have a look at how to use I have in a sentence. But before we get to that, we need to learn some new words. For example, 猫, which means cat. So you would probably know how to say, I have a cat. 我有一只猫. And I have a sister. In Chinese, you would normally have to specify if you have an older sister or a younger sister. But if you have both, you could say, I have an older sister and a younger sister. So let's get started with it. 我有一个姐姐. I have an older sister. 我有一个妹妹. I have a younger sister. If you had both, you would say 我有一个姐姐和一个妹妹. Now, let's have a look at how to use I don't have in a sentence. I don't have a brother. It's the same as sister. You would have to specify an older brother or a younger brother. So, 我没有哥哥. I don't have an older brother. 我没有弟弟. I don't have a younger brother. Now, because you're saying I don't have, you don't need to specify the number of brothers that you don't have, because you don't have any, so why do you need to specify how many you don't have? Now, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!